In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on GLM future while examining Golem cost gauge for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Golem. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Golem value forecast and answer questions in the event that GLM is a wise venture or not, for what reason will GLM succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Golem value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is GLM and its to-date history. Golem Introduction. Golem is an Ethereum-based project that plans to fabricate a decentralized organization which permits clients to share and total registering assets to make a worldwide supercomputer. The Golem Group is making an organization to share assets and desires to supply programming designers with an option, in contrast to conventional unified cloud specialist co-ops like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and IBM. The organization capabilities as a shared commercial center for overabundant figuring power. Clients can lease their equipment in return for remuneration in Golem tokens, GLM. Those that expect assets to get done with concentrated jobs, as CGI delivering, can pay for this overabundance limit through a decentralized commercial center. Golem totals numerous assets while finishing process undertakings, empowering nearly anybody, from a solitary PC to a full server farm, to add to the organization. Golem plant was established in Switzerland in 2016 by Julian Zawistowski and Andrzej Regulski. Golem delivered the metal Golem execution in April 2018, permitting suppliers to procure GLM by contributing PC power and requesters to spend GLM on accessible figure power. The primary objective use case is for CGI delivering, permitting requesters to convey handling of any Blender or Lux renderer seen over the Golem organization. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable with the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Golem value expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding, we see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 17.55% $0. 2543. 2022 November minus 29.91% $0. 2162, 2022 December minus 29.58% $0. 2172, 2023 January minus 23.31% $0. 2366, 2023 February minus 16.82% $0. 2566, 2023 blemish, minus 10.40% $0. 2764, 2023 April minus 7.45% $0. 2855, 2023 May, minus 2.91% $0. 2995, 2023 June plus 1.23% $0. 3123, 2023 July plus 14.56% $0. 3534, 2023 August plus 14.09% $0. 3519, 2023 September plus 23.60% $0.3813 GLM Value Forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees GLM coming to $0.6416 in 2025. What will GLM be worth in 5 years? The cost of GLM in 5 years could lie around $0.5833. Golem Value Forecast 2030 to 2040. What Golem will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Golem coming to $1.60 in 2030. What Golem will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Golem coming to $3.21 in 2040. Will Golem supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, Golem won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Golem at any point reach $1? Indeed, Golem could reach $1 toward the finish of 2025. Might Golem at any point reach $10? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Golem to reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Is Golem worth purchasing? We are supporters of decently hazardous financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of large cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with enormous potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, Golem merits purchasing. Is Golem a wise venture? Golem is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Golem be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0.1832. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $1.60 or much higher. For what reason will Golem succeed and get more expensive? Golem has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Golem ascending to $1.60 in 2030. For what reason will Golem fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are, group denounces any kind of authority and forsakes the venture, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence